Hi friends, this is Miss Howard, and I'm here to do today's story problem with you. I want you to close your eyes and visualize the story as I read it to you. Zoe and her mom were picking carrots from their garden. What did you picture? Did you picture Zoe and her mom with some baskets or maybe a wagon? And did you see them picking some carrots and putting them into their basket or their wagon? I'm going to show you an image that might help you picture this a little better. Here you'll see what carrots look like when they grow in a garden. This isn't the part of the carrot that we're used to seeing. We're used to seeing the root. Did you know that we eat the root of the carrot? When someone plants the carrot with the seed, it normally takes about 10 to 12 weeks for that seed to grow into the full plant. So when it's ripe. We're going to look at some more pictures. Up here in the top left corner, you'll see that a man is pulling this carrot out of the ground. They know when carrots are ripe and ready to be picked when the root, that orange part, is sticking up out of the ground a little bit. Over on the right, there's a picture where you can see how that carrot, that root grows down and into the ground, that orange part that we eat. Did you know that there's different types of carrots? On the left side, in that bottom corner, you'll see some pictures of some red carrots, orange, purple, and then some yellow. They're kind of white and yellow. Those are all different kinds of carrots, but we're used to seeing just the orange carrot. Let's go back to the story. Close your eyes. Zoe and her mom were picking carrots from their garden. Zoe picked some, and her mom picked some. So now, after seeing those images of the carrots in the garden, can you really picture what this is looking like? So Zoe has her basket, and her mom has her basket or their wagons, and they're both picking the carrots. Who are you picturing picking more, Zoe or her mom? Okay, let's go to the next slide. Zoe and her mom were picking carrots from their garden. Zoe picked 17 and her mom picked 15. What changed? What new information did we get? That's right. Now we know that Zoe picked 17 carrots and her mom picked 15 carrots. What question could we answer with the information that we were just given? Could we figure out how many carrots they picked altogether? Yeah, now with the information that we're given, we could figure out how many carrots that they picked altogether. Let's see what the next slide says. Zoe and her mom were picking carrots from their garden. Zoe picked 17 and her mom picked 15. If some of the carrots were bad, how many good carrots did they have? What? This sounds a little tricky to me. So I know that Zoe picked 17 and her mom picked 15. But now they're talking about bad carrots and good carrots? Do you think we're going to have another number in here? What word in that last sentence, that question, gives us a clue that we might have another number? Right, that word some right there. If some of the carrots were bad, how many good carrots did they have? Well, let's see. Let's go to the next slide and see if they give us some more information. Zoe and her mom were picking carrots from their garden. Zoe picked 17 and her mom picked 15. If 9 of the carrots were bad, how many good carrots did they have? Did they give us some new information? Yes, now we know that 9 of the carrots were bad. Do we know what we need to figure out? Yeah, they're asking us how many good carrots they have. But it seems like we're missing something else. I see there's 9 bad, how many were good, but it doesn't ask us how many carrots they have. Don't we have to figure out how many carrots they have altogether to be able to figure out how many good carrots they have? That's right. This is a 2-step word problem. So that means that there's 2 things that we're going to have to figure out to be able to solve this problem. Okay, I want you to look at what I did here. I made 2 boxes. One box with step 1 in it, and then the other box has step 2 in it. So when you go to solve the problem today on your piece of paper, I want you to make 2 boxes, and I want you to put step 1 in the first box and step 2 in the second box. Let's go back. Step 1, the first thing we have to figure out is how many carrots they picked. And then the next step is figuring out how many of those carrots were good carrots. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.